Good morning, welcome to my channel today. Today we're going to change this tub because it's leaking. So I'm going to show you how to replace a tub. Alright, but we're trying not to damage as much of the wall. So we're going to try and damage just this area so we can take it out. So whenever time they're ready to install the tile, they have just this row of tile to install back. Yeah. So safety is very important when you're doing this type of job. You have to protect your hands and your eye as well. Very important. That we install the tub, everything is alright, working properly. Water is running. So you just need tile guide to just run back 2 rows of tile, and that's how you install a tub. Alright.